Here is everything you need to know about the IWO 13 smartwatch. The IWO smartwatch series, much like the Apple Watch series, gets better with each upgrade. This latest release, IWO 13 Pro, offers enhanced hardware and features. Let us get into the review now. The IWO 13 has the Apple Watch Series 6 design and hardware quality. It is also made to monitor body temperature in real time. The smartwatch is one of the most recommended sporty smartwatches on the market. The IWO 13 also features an ECG heart rate monitor, thermometer, blood oxygen monitor, Bluetooth calling, IP68 waterproof. The square design of IWO smartwatches is similar to the Apple Watch 6 series design. The watches are in two sizes. There is 44 by 38 by 10.7 millimeters and 40 by 34 by 10.7 millimeters, and they weigh 38 grams. The device has 320 milliamp with several days of standby time due to the high-quality battery. There are 10 days of normal use with the battery. The standby mode can last up to 30 days. The charging system is done with a wireless charger. Placing the smartwatch correctly on the charger takes 2 years to charge fully. The body of the smartwatch is made up of zinc alloy. It also has a scroll crown on the side with a silicone strap. The performance of the IWO 13 is another classic choice. The smartwatch is equipped with an MTK2502C chip processor. That processing power means faster response and faster command reception. There is a 256 MB ROM also built into the IWO 13. The device's processing and storage capacity make it an excellent health and entertainment management source. The design is huge on the hardware. There is a screen to go crazy about. The IWO 13 watch has a 1.75-inch large TFT touchscreen curved with 2.5D glass and a 320 by 385 pixels resolution. The sharpness of color and brightness is impeccable. Wear it in the sunlight and tell us what you saw for an experiment. The watch gives more content viewing. The screen is large, and with its elegant face style, you can set yourself up to view better content. The large screen takes over the bigger part of your interface, and the narrow sides make it look expensive. The curved screen sides allow for a pre-installed watch face. It makes it easy for you to switch between the faces, page turning, turn on and off, and rotation buttons. The smartwatch comes in 5 colors. You can get over 50 online watch faces available for download. You can customize the various faces with various colors, analog, retro, 3D, and digital faces. The smartwatch allows you to use live wallpapers, including your background. The IWO 13 smartwatch is compatible with the WearFit Pro app. The app is for Android and iOS, and once you set them up, your watch becomes more effective. The exercise goals set and the WearFit Pro app will effectively manage other data. The IP68 is waterproof, so you can wear it through the rain and while swimming. The advice is that you do not overwork this feature. With an HD speaker and microphone, short or long-term exposure to massive amounts of water is not ideal. Salt water and hot water should be avoided altogether. Once the smartwatch is exposed to water, it is prudent to dry it before you sue it for anything else. The ECG heart rate sensor collects data on your heart rate over 24 hours. The model helps you to control your sleep. The sleep monitor gives you the chance to analyze the sleep pattern better. If you need your calories measured and properly analyzed throughout the day, there is a pedometer. The pedometer estimates the calories you consume versus those you burn throughout the day. There are several sports modes to measure the body temperature with. There are modes like cycling, walking, running, skipping, swimming, climbing. The notifications are readable and visible. The apps on your phone can be connected to the smartwatch for your popular apps. You can access calls and messages as well on the watch. There is a chance to take selfies with a touch of a screen. You can also control your music from your watch. The smartwatch is equipped with a microphone, loudspeaker, and HD speaker. Once you see the incoming call, you can also receive calls and dial numbers via Bluetooth. The IWO 13 smartwatch is stylish and has a large display for all features. The pricing is affordable, and its multi-sport mode is a valuable purchase. The budget-friendly cost does not eliminate the high-quality manufacturing and finishing, and the health management support is another reason to love the IWO 13. If you want a low-budget version of the Apple Watch 6, you have it right here. What is the most intriguing part of the IWO 13 smartwatch, in your opinion? Do you agree that the IWO 13 is a clone of the Apple Watch Series 6? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below.